Yeah, I just did an episode here on the police channel where I spoke about escorting an ambulance and seeing a civilian car following us all the time. It is quite interesting. I'll see if I can leave a link for you here or not. But that then ended with me saying that if you proceed in life and you become like a VI protection unit, you are trained as a driver to smash through obstacles and things. Now that actually comes from a murder which took place in West Germany. These people were Bader Meinhof gang. They actually got hold of a magnet or something, some rich German guy, West German businessman. He was an SS officer in the war. They got him, and the way they got him is, yes, he had bodyguards with him, but they were driving. And then they faked a pram which went in front of a vehicle. Of course, his bodyguard stopped. They shot the bodyguards dead. They grabbed him and they took him hostage. If you listen to the hostage series, I think I speak about that. Now, what they ought to have done is just to smash their way through. Now, it's harder actually to smash your way through with a car, even an obstacle, because your first thing is to brake, which is exactly, of course, what the terrorists want. So you can use your car as a ram. Now, there's a special technique in doing that. It doesn't help you to screw up the engine completely. But then those engines normally have this prolonged oil and things on it. It doesn't need water to drive. You can still drive out. The tires will have this, I think they call it hot full or something. You put it in the tire, some chemical compound, and even if you shoot the tire, it will not go down. Those things are standard in our lives, and it should be standard in yours. It's on all my books. And then you can use your car as a ram just to get out of a situation. Then you keep on driving, which is something like if you look at the John F. Kennedy murder, that driver was totally out of his league. He had no clue. When the first shot was fired, he was still filming, and said he should have floored that car and just get out of a killing zone, but he didn't. He didn't. Bad training. Not. I don't think it was on purpose in any way. But yeah, all these things link together, so you can learn from prior terrorism attacks. And the US is quite good at that. They actually have a computer database where every terrorist attack on their citizens or sympathiers, it's not a lot of them left today, but they have all of these on the programs, and so they can see the modus operandi and train for it. But they're so badly trained that it doesn't matter. Just say it. Okay, we'll speak again if something crosses my mind.